Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to allow everyone can mention you on the TikTok, because sometimes we set privacy that no one can mention you on the TikTok comments, story, stickers, descriptions, because sometimes may be important post, so your friends or other members mention you. So if you have set a privacy that no one can mention you on the TikTok. So in this video I will show you how you can set privacy that everyone can mention you on the TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly, open the TikTok application. So when you will open the TikTok application, here you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So click on it, and then here is the options of three lines on the top right corner. So click on it, and then click on setting and privacy. So when you will open the setting and privacy, here is the options of privacy. So click on privacy. So after this, here is the options of mentions. So when you will click on mention, here is the option of allow mention from. So after this, here select everyone. So when you will select everyone, so now everyone can mention you on the description, sticker, comments or story. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.